Unicorn Post. Today, we're gonna be making chocolate covered strawberries. And for a bonus, we're gonna be making crisp rice chocolate. The ingredients you'll need is strawberries, because it's called chocolate covered strawberries, a drainer, so you can drain the strawberries, 2 plates to put the wet strawberries on, the chocolates, a measuring cup, a spoon, since it's close to Valentine's Day, we're going to be using Valentine sprinkles, wax paper, this to melt the chocolate in, and crisp rice. Let's get started. First, we're going to wash our hands. First, we're going to do wax paper to put on top of the plate for both of the plates. So I tried my best on that because I'm not really good. I don't really put wax paper on a lot of stuff, so I'm not good at it. Yay, I did it! Finally! Woohoo, I did it! Woohoo, I did it! Woohoo, I did it! Woohoo, I did it! Woohoo! Woohoo! I did it! I did it! I did it! I did it! Next, we're going to put the strawberries into the drainer, or whatever it's called. Strainer. Strainer! Strainer. So we're gonna put 6 strawberries into here and make sure they're good before you put them. I'm scanning. Good. Good. You're good. Good. I already have 4, I need 2 more. So let's come together and also scan. That's good. You have a little. You're good. So we got 3 plus 3, and if you don't math, that equals 6. So we're gonna close the strawberry container up, and we're gonna make sure this is cold. Make sure it's really cold. I think I'm gonna do 2 more strawberries, because I want to have a lot. You don't have to. Oh, this is cold. And I'm just gonna do 1 more for good luck. Okay, very good. I think I'm gonna do a couple more, because I remember I do like 9 or 10. Okay, good. So now that we're done draining them, we are going to dry them with a paper towel. So I'm gonna go over here and get a long one. And I'm gonna go to the dry surface. And I forgot to say this, but make sure you you plug this in where you're gonna put the chocolate, so it's going to be ready. It's already getting hot. We have to hurry up here. I caught them on the way down. Okay, so we don't need the drainer or the strawberries anymore. So I am going to make sure they're nice and dry, because we don't want wet chocolate, but we want them to be nice and dry. Now that we have the strawberries dry, we're going to put the chocolate in, and I'm just going to use my hands since I washed them. Good. I think that's good enough. We're going to put it into here, That should be good. Now, we are going to put the Valentine Sweetheart Decoration sprinkles into this bowl. So I'm going to do it carefully, if you remember last time. Oops. I might have poured it a lot. Now I'm going to stir it as occasionally it melts. So try not to burn yourself. I mean, it's starting to melt, but not that much. Like this one is really melting. It needs more time. While we're waiting, I'm going to show you some of my moves. Now we're going to put the crispy rice into this bowl. Now that the chocolate is all melted, we're going to take one of our strawberries and dip it in. And then we're going to go over to the sprinkles. But this is enough. I couldn't wait. I just had to wash my hands. Last one, I'm so happy. It was taking forever. I might need someone's help, so I'm going to introduce my mommy.
Hi, Serafina.
So I need some help putting those.
What are those? Crispy rice? Oh, you have some extra chocolate here. We can't let chocolate go to waste, right?
Yeah.
So we're going to pour these in. Oops. And gently stir them. You don't want to smash the rice cereal.
That looks good.
Mm-hmm. I'm going to fold the chocolate around it. A bit of crisp rice cereal. I like the spatula.
Thanks.
It makes handling the crisp rice nice and easy.
Yeah.
Okay.
I got it for Christmas.
Great Christmas gift.
Yeah.
All right. So I'm going to unplug the chocolate because we don't need it to melt anymore. And you're ready to make our crisp rice candies?
Yeah.
All right.
That's one.
One of my favorite treats. Milk chocolate and crisp rice cereal. Chocolate Krispies.
I don't think I had it before.
Yes, you have.
Mm.
Yeah. Mmm.
in the freezer so they can chill. Now that they're all frozen, we are going to put them on the plate. This one broke. This one, a lot of them are stuck together. And I think we might need another plate. Now we took the crunchy rice chocolates out of the freezer, and they're all cool. So we are going to put them on the plate. I am already started. So I got them all on the plate, and now it is my favorite part. I'm going to taste test the desserts. So I think I'm going to taste test a strawberry. It tastes really good. Wait a minute. I don't need myself to taste test. I'm gonna call in 3 people, but who should the 3 people be? I mean 2 people, since one ran away. I'm gonna call on Luca and Mommy. Luca, Mommy! Yeah? Would you like to taste test?
Sure. Hey, buddy. I like your hair. Oh, I'm gonna try one of these. These look delicious. How are they? They're not dry, are they? No. You try strawberry, Luca?
I want to try one of these.
Go ahead.
Oh, my tooth. Oh, my tooth again. How do you think they taste, Luca and Mommy?
These are really good. One of my
Thanks.
favorites.
How much percent?
How much percent in what?
How much? How much are they good?
100%. No, 110%.
Thanks. Luca?
0.
Luca!
You're gonna be banned from taste testing.
That was just my sister running away because she has her PJs on. And